Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enter recovery mode on your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first we want to power our phone completely off. So tap the power button, volume up button at the same time, tap on power off, and now it is shutting down. So once everything disappears, what are we going to do is we're going to press and hold down, volume down, and power simultaneously at the same time. So we're going to press the power button, volume down button, and keep on holding it for about 30 seconds. Sometimes it might be faster. And here what you guys want to do is simply go over and we want to select the different menu here. We want to find the recovery mode. We're going to press it. And sometimes there might be no command. So you might see no command. And what are we going to do here is we're going to tap the volume up button and power. And now we should quickly release it. So sometimes it may work. It works when you just press it once and hold the power button. We are in the recovery mode now. And here what we can do, we can reboot the system now. We can reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, also do the apply update from the Android debug bridge, and here we can apply update from SD card, wipe the data. So we want to factory reset our phone here. Also we can mount to the system. We can view recovery logs, run graphics tests, run locally tests, and power the phone off. So we can reboot the system here. We can do everything, and now to select it, we're pressing the power button. It should go back into our system, and that's how you guys can easily enter the recovery mode. So entering it does not erase your data. However, if you select wipe data or factory reset, then it will absolutely delete it. So be careful, and that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.